you look at the sky or the universe and you think it's chaotic, everything is just all over the place. Yes, it is chaotic and everything is all over the place. But everything is exactly in the right place. If I find a watch that I like, something I find rusty in the market, I bought it for maybe £1 or something, I have to take all the neglect out of it. And if I manage to revive it, it does what it was built for, it keeps time. If you think, people are really like watch as well. You eat food, that's energy, and you've got a heart which ticks. And then you've got hands, watch has got hands too. And that's what this is for blowing fluff away. Be careful, it's a very small spring, it can just break. And if it breaks, then it's better not to break. Some days when it's all, when it's, when I'm not in a good mood, I don't see any light at the end of any tunnel. I don't see the tunnel to see any light at the end of it. I force myself to come here and start doing this. And once I start doing this work, then it's great. Then everything becomes normal again. It is important how you do things, how you drink tea, how you, I don't know, everything you do, how you sit, how you sleep, when you sleep, you eat, what you eat, how much you eat. Everything is art, everything is craft. Everything you do, even if you just stand on the street, that's craft. Because you are observing, you're hearing, you're tasting, you are aware, and you have an effect without your realizing on your surroundings. It's something you automatically do, you can't help it. It automatically happens. If you practice something, that thing, then it becomes your life. Whatever you spend your time on, it's all you have.